Hey everyone, this is Justin with Two Stall Garage. Welcome back. Today we're getting back on the three-wheeler build. And right now you can see we got the rear swing arm on. We got to tighten it up over here. We've got our frame mounts on. They turned out really nice. They're not torqued down yet. Got to line this bolt up and get it to go in, and then we'll torque everything down. Oh, sorry about that. Got the drive shaft in. We're missing the differential. So here we are, we've got everything tore apart. I didn't show you guys this on the video, because I kind of did this quite a while ago. Got some bolts. We got new bearings somewhere. I gotta find those real quick. They're just right over there in those boxes. So, appreciate you hanging out. Before we watch the video, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. But otherwise, not a big deal. And either way is good by us. Hope you're having a good day. We'll get started on this right now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, it's going to be a tedious process, but I'm going to take all these bolts. You can see I sandblasted that one. Wire wheeled a couple of them. We're going to clean them up real quick. Got some new ones here too, but I'm going to replate everything, all of this hardware right here. Stand by. Okay, here we go. Got all these freshly wire wheeled. I also cleaned them off with glass cleaner to spray away, and they're going to turn out to look just like this. You can see the tip of this bolt. You can see it on the inside. You can see these right here. Bring it around the opposite side. You can see the nuts. These aren't all the way tightened up, of course, like I said. That is how they're going to look. So let's get right to that. This is also a tedious process, so I'm going to do this and I'll be right back. And sometime I'll actually show how I do this, and we'll put a video out on that alone. Okay, so we got one of the cases of the rear over here on the vise, and you had 4 bolts right here, and we lost this one. We're turning it off by hand. There's not a way to get to it on the underside of it. So what we're going to use here is this damaged screw remover. So it shows right here, it's made by Century Drill and Tool. To remove damaged screw, we're going to use the drill side, drill out the screw head. We're going to flip the bit to the extractor side, set it to reverse, firm downward pressure, and slow speed to retract or extract. So I know this is a bolt, this isn't a screw. Same rules apply. Here's our extractor side. Here's our drill out side. We're going to try that. If this doesn't work, we've got a bigger set. We don't want to have to re-tap this, this bolt hole. So here we go. Okay, I know you might not have the best angle here, but it's about the best I can do. I'm going to grab my drill real quick. Okay, we use the drill side first. There we go. Wish me luck. Most are no. Most likes to bother our little chicks. It's starting to work. almost would rather use a drill bit. I think I'm gonna grab a drill bit and try that out. Now, you know what? It says they're supposed to be able to do this, so we're just gonna go. We're gonna send it. How's that sound? Here we go. Oh, that's the wrong side. Silly. Okay. Now it's starting to drill out. Getting there. So far the head's in pretty good shape. We're getting down there. I'm gonna go a little bit farther. Getting a little low on power here. And it sure is trying here, but I think that I'm gonna grab a drill bit. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use this little drill bit just to punch a hole the rest of the way. Then I'm gonna use the drill side of this bit to go in the rest of the way. So put your face protection on. Don't want to ruin one of your eyes or both of them. Grabbing a little bit bigger drill bit here. It's going to be too big probably. Most likely. Yeah, very much. Here we go. This is the winner. Let's try it. Oh, this is tough. Let's keep going. Now we're making progress. All right, we're gonna keep going. Got to drill down further. Okay, we're gonna grab a bigger extractor now right out of this box here. And get that one back in. Let's see about this size. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe? Oh, man. It's gonna be the one right here. So this is the number 2. We're gonna drill down just a little bit farther. We'd really like to be able to get a good grip inside that hole there. Okay, are you ready? Good luck. Why do I feel like this isn't going to work? Should we apply heat? Well, it's possible. I actually think I've just been losing the drill bit versus actually making progress here, which is great. It happens though. Don't sweat it. We're gonna try it out. Slow process. We're getting a grip. Come on, you can come out. I know you can. Not coming. That was a good try. Well, here's what we're going to do. We are going to drill right down into this bad boy again. Set the side, yep. And now we're going to heat it up. Let's grab the torch. Okay, good enough. We're gonna try it out here. Wish me luck. Don't touch it, whatever you do. Got it? Got it. It's not happening. It's only gotta be like that. Look at that. Ain't that silly, huh? At this point, really just trying whatever we can to get it to come out here. Alrighty, ready? Cross your fingers for me. We're gonna really heat this thing up. Okay, here it is. Let's do it. Man, that thing is in there tough. Well, I'm gonna go back to the drawing board. We'll be back. All right, we're back. So I grabbed a different drill bit. This one's holding up good. Got a decent size hole in here, pretty close to the edge. I'm grabbing these power built extractors. Whoops. I like to be organized, even though it might not look like it sometimes. Let's keep that in there. Okay, so here we go. We are going to grab a wrench. All right, I'm hoping this works. We've got our hammer, got our extractor, got a crescent to go over this and turn it. So, it's counterclockwise, of course. You got a nice little deal you can hit. Perfect. Wish me luck. Here we go. Come on out of there. Boy, it just does not want to come out. Wow. It's unreal. Okay, ready? Is that hot? Here we go. It's a little warm. It's literally just bending the deal. Unreal. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Well, that's a bummer. That is a bummer. That was not coming out of there, was it? Well, as they say, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna stop right here because I gotta go take a look, see if I can find another case. And hopefully we can find one at a decent price. This happens sometimes. What a saga today, huh? So I did get those other bolts replated, and we're gonna keep moving forward on this. But until then, we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.